Trying to make an online purchase but don't have your physical Chase card handy to find the CVV. While you can't always view the CVV in a banking app for security reasons, there are often ways to access a temporary or virtual card number. In this guide, I'll clarify how to generally find CVV-related information on the Chase app. It's important to note that for security, your physical credit or debit card's CVV card verification value is typically not displayed directly within the Chase mobile app. This is a security measure to prevent unauthorized access if your phone is compromised. However, if you have a Chase virtual card or a digital card linked to your account, you might be able to view its full details, including a virtual CVV, within the app. Look for options like Digital Wallet, Card Details, or Manage Card for specific cards. Finally, if you need the CVV for your physical card and don't have it, your best bet is to refer to the back of your actual card. If it's lost or stolen, you should immediately report it to Chase to get a new card and secure your account. And there you have it. Finding your CVV on the Chase app has security considerations. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.